We got a helicopter over here over I-55. I'm going to Arlington Heights. I don't know what this chopper is looking for, but we have a lot of ICE agents over here in Chicago area searching for people, immigrant, non-residents of the United States here, drugs, trafficking, alcohol. So this guy is searching something, but don't look like it's a news media or something. Yeah, see the chopper is circulating, and this neighborhood is infected with drug addicts, drug dealing, and so forth. See that? Yeah, the chopper is searching left and right. Now I gotta watch that road. Also, but I tell you, the glasses come very handy. Allowed me to do this as I'm observing.
Use the right lane to take exit 292A onto I-90 West and I-94 West.
Okay, so we're going to take the exit in here. Now we got the chopper circulating over there. I'm going to keep on recording him. See if we get a little close up over here. Who is this chopper belong to? Okay, I'm looking at GPS. Yeah, this chopper is going over to Chinatown now. And there's a lot of project buildings over there. That's a lot of drugs going on over there. No, we don't hear this on the news that this thing takes place. Okay, we want to go to West Indiana. What are we doing? It's going to be Wisconsin someplace over here. We're going to have to turn around someplace over here. No, maybe not. Maybe that splits out to... Oh, we're going towards Wisconsin. I think so. So I think I'm going the right direction over here. I was concentrating a little bit on that chopper, but I think we go in the right direction. Okay. Yeah, towards Wisconsin. That's where we want to go. All right. Beautiful weather over Chicago. You see the high rises downtown Chicago over there.
Keep right to merge onto I-90 West toward Wisconsin.
Keep right. Okay, so we're going to go right. Hopefully we won't have too much traffic. Okay, now we're going to go down the left so we could merge with the traffic in here. Beautiful view of downtown Chicago. My mirror's on the way. The sky is clear. Okay, let's see. We want to make sure that... Okay, go, 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 you son of a gun. Slowing down.
8.3 miles. Take exit 44B onto Pulaski Road towards State Route 19.
What? Okay. We just gotta get over here on this line. Okay. Maybe the express line going to be open, so they're going to save us some time, but we'll see. Yeah, you got a downtown Chicago, buildings, sky rises, different businesses in here. And on the left over here, you see some other architectural